Hello, this is Paige Marks, and I am here to talk about my Module 13 reflection over copyright laws and issues. So the first question I will be going over is, after reviewing the copyright and fair use websites, which areas surprised you the most as breaking the laws? And I thought it was really interesting, some of the examples and law-breaking examples that they had given was talking about simple everyday things that are kind of like incorporating videos and either music or text information for lessons. As an educator, I didn't really understand how much information we really do get from other people and how you incorporate that into your lessons, and whether it's breaking the law by not getting that authorization or permission to use that information in your lessons, or whatever the case may be. And also using class photos from their websites and things like that. Those are some things that really surprised me. Just stuff that you think educators or people in general just do all the time. And so the second question, what are some of the examples that you have experienced where educators may have broken a copyright law? And is it really that big of a deal? And this kind of goes off the first question, just in some of the examples that I've seen teachers do. I don't know for sure if they were actually breaking the law or whatever, but I've had lots of teachers use each other's information and get information online using resources. So with teachers preparing lessons and using available resources online, I'm sure it's happened multiple times and happens more often than I would even think. And then I read a certain section in our materials talking about a police officer from Golden, Colorado or something like that, and he was just saying how there's not enough police officers or watch over these issues, just like someone speeding on the highway. People do it all the time. Doesn't mean it's right, or that they shouldn't be caught for it or punished for it or whatever. But I think it is still a big deal because it is the law. Those are placed for a reason, obviously, and depending on the violation, you can get fined for it, and I'm sure a lot more. And the score that I got on the quiz was a 70%, so I probably should go back and go over those questions again, make sure that I know how to handle those situations correctly, and know just if I am breaking the law or I'm not. So this module was really good for me. I didn't know a lot of this information that I learned, so it was really good for me. Thanks for listening.